I'm thinking about giving up. I don't want to continue this journey anymore because it's not my cup of tea. Earlier, I used to think that I can also do, but it's not my cup of tea because I don't have environment, and even if I take step for improving my communication skill, then people are always there to make fun of me. I have to always face that humiliation. People, they always make fun of me, they always mock at me, they always find out where my mistakes. So now I don't want to continue this. Yeah, it really gives me pain, and I don't want to tolerate this anymore. So I'm about to give up. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and hope you are doing great. And if you are the person you are also going to take this decision, then just stop. Don't take this action. Before taking this action, please watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you are also going to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can also get all the notifications when I will post my videos on my channel. And friends, if you are the person you are going to do this thing, then just watch this video till the very end. I assure you, you will never give up after watching this video. So friends, the journey on which we are working, it's not an easy journey, and in this journey sometimes we have to face difficult situations too. Sometimes we feel like that it seems to us that I'm not getting anything, I'm not improving even a single bit. Even if I have been working on it for a very long time, still my level is the beginner. I'm not getting intermediate level, or I'm not going from intermediate to advanced level. So now I have to give up. I can't face, I can't tolerate this humiliation. People always are there to humiliate me. People are always there to make fun of me. Then I just want to tell you, you are not the only one. Okay, you are not the only one person with whom all these things happens. Each and every learner faces these kind of problems. And you know why you are facing these kind of problems? Because each and every time when it comes, okay, when it comes to practice, then you always run far away that opportunity. You always, you, because it's a human tendency, you know, I can relate with you. Okay, we don't want others to see our bad points, our bad things. If I suppose I'm making mistakes, then I don't want others to see where I make mistakes. If I uh, fumble while speaking, then I don't want others to see, I don't want others to get to know about my all those problems, because each and every time I just want to impress others. And it's a human tendency. You are not the only one. So this is your biggest problem, because we don't want to acknowledge, we don't want to we don't want to accept the things, accept the weak points that we are having inside ourselves. So if you also want to be on your journey, so first of all you have to accept, you have to acknowledge everything, that you make mistakes while speaking, you fumble while speaking, you get stuck while speaking. And the time when you will embrace all the mistakes, all the problems that you are having, then you can easily tackle out your problem. No matter what is your level right now, you are at your beginning stage, you are at basic stage, or intermediate stage, or you are about to intermediate stage. Always there are some people who are proficient in this language, and whenever it comes to speaking with those uh, fluent people, then we face these kind of problems. We don't want them to see our mistakes. We don't want to be the reason for their laugh. We don't want them to make laugh of us. And this is the biggest reason and biggest fear that I used to have, but I do right now I don't have, because the time since I have been working on this journey, I have faced this kind of situations so many times. So now I don't have any kind of fear anymore. about this particular reason, that humiliation, I feel like offended by someone. It's normal. It's normal. We are human being, and if God wants us to be the reason so that we can make someone's happy, so yeah, it means you are privileged by God, that you are blessed by God. God has given you this opportunity to make someone's happy. So instead of uh, trying to think about giving up, you have to make your point. You have to be enough strong so that you can be on this journey, and feel you can feel that achievement in future. But whatever dreams you have seen, you can fulfill, you can accomplish, you can establish your each and every dream, and you can enjoy your dream. You can live your all the dreams. You can make others happy as well. This is also the way to make others happy. No matter whether you are a teacher or you are a speaker, some people are always there. We can't make them happy. They are always going to pull our legs. So instead of thinking about them, okay, because no matter if you speak good English or bad English, they will also find they will find each and every time your weak points, and then these weak points will become the reason of your humiliation. So don't feel offended. Don't feel humiliated. Now it's time for to gear up and to work on our journey with that consistency. We have immense power. We have immense power, but we can't use it. We have enough potential, but just because of we are not aware about that potential. We are also so much creative, but we can't use our brain in creative ways in order to learn this language. We are not using our brain enough. So that's why we feel like that, oh my God, how can I do this? That person is really very intelligent, and I'm just like nothing in front of him. So now I have to give up. So if you are the person you also think like that, then just stop it and don't take this decision. Because if you will take this decision, it's all up to you. The ball is in your court. You want to take this decision or not. But I assure you, if right now, if you give up, then after some time, definitely you will regret. You will regret that why I have taken this decision to give up on this journey. Because after learning this language, there are so many opportunities are there who are waiting for you. So now just go learn this language, okay? And from today onwards, just immerse yourself into learning this language. Immerse yourself totally. Just engross yourself into learning and inculcate some good habits so that you can make your journey easier for you as compared to earlier. Earlier you used to make so many kinds of different kind of mistakes, numerous mistakes you were making. But now it's time to figure it out the different ways which you really like, and then you will get everything. Friends, I'm not about to give up. I was just trying to make you aware about that thing, that if you also think about giving up, then don't do this. Instead of giving up, we have different options too. We have to work on it. We have to just tweak little bit ways of our learning that we have applied earlier, but now we have to change the ways, and just go and keep working, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.